These base files helps create temporary files from your Windows computer. It removes files stored in user temp folder and Windows temp folder free up storage space and improve system organization. First, open Notepad on your Windows PC. Copy and paste the base script into the Notepad. Click File, then select Save As. Set Save As type All File. Save the file with a .bat extension. Right-click the save file and select Run as Administrator. Wait for the cleanup process to finish. Press any key when prompt to close the window. Your temporary files will now be clear automatically. After the cleanup is complete, it displays confirmation message and wait for you to press a key before closing. Running the script as an administrator may allow it to remove more temporary files. Always review any script before running it to ensure you understand. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.